What's up, guys? We're out here on the water already. We put in about 6 o'clock this morning. Got a nice little overcast. Looks like it's gonna be a money day today. Out here fishing with my boy Manny B from Skinny Water Boys. My buddy Ray from high school. Hoping to get on a few launches, so stay tuned, people. About to kill it.
Challenge video will be top toes versus hollow body.
Oh,
Yeah?
heck yeah. Going.
Challenge of the day. See if we catch some more.
Alright, guys.
More and bigger.
I don't know if y'all heard that, but Manny B put out a challenge. Here we go. So we are doing top toed, which is what I got, versus hollow body. Here, you get this boy over here. Versus this guy right here. So we're gonna see if we can catch more this morning, and who catches the biggest. So the key difference is top toe is gonna reel in a lot faster. It does a little bubble effect, kind of like a whopper plopper, just a big old, like a buzz bait sound. And hollow body, it's a slower approach. You work it kind of like a spook. So here we go, challenge accepted. Oh! Two!
Stay down, baby. Stay down.
Let's go! Saw him snatching bugs over there on the side, so threw the frog. He came out and got him, boys. Check that out, guys. Solid. That's a good fish right there, boys. Get him. So, how many you got, Manny? Got two? All right, guys, so I've missed one, landed one. Manny's got two in the boat, and I've landed one. So here he is. That is a healthy fish, man. He's a fatty. There we go. So far I'd say they're about even. If Manny's catching more, I think it's because he got the better side. At least that's what I'm gonna say. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, baby! There we go, baby. This guy came out and hammered it, man. It's pretty shallow here, so I just saw him. Boom! Boom! She came up and hammered it. Man, these fish out here are chunky. It's a chunky butt. Look at that tummy. Little fat boy. There we go. All right. I've got two in the boat. I don't know how many Manny's got, but I think I'm catching up. I don't know. We'll see. Top toed may be better. Oh,
You got him.
he got off. Oh my God, this is live action, boys. All right, guys, what's crazy about this is pay attention to the swell. It's actually a big bass that I catch here in a second, but I'm always on the lookout for things like that, so always pay attention to your surroundings. Hugest tip I can give you. Bro, there was just a 5 right here. Yeah, freaking massive, dude. I casted like over him and it looked like he was gonna go after it, but he didn't commit or nothing. Oh, dude, that's a tank. go. Woo! Uh-oh, double hookup, guys. Oh, check that out. That's some live action right there, boys. All right, guys, so just a quick update. We're about to weigh that fish because it's a solid one, but I don't know which frog's better. Manny's got me by one fish so far. But man, they're both coming on. The sun's finally starting to come out. These fish are getting moving, so we'll see.
What do you think? I bet it's fine.
Let's see.
Find out.
Here we go, guys. I'm about to weigh this.
Moment of truth.
467.
Yeah, I told you.
There it is, guys.
Called it. Going the wrong way, boy. There she goes. What do you say, Ed?
I don't know which one's better, man. Top toed or top toed or what are you throwing again?
Hollow body.
Hollow body. I don't know, but my buddy Ray back here, we didn't get him on a fish, so we're gonna put him on a. We're gonna try a different frog. It's the, what are they called? Teckler.
Yeah.
It's like a sprinkler frog, kind of like a whopper plopper, but better. We'll see. Oh, dude. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Bro. Woo! Let's go. All right, guys, it's official. I'm sticking with top toed. Check that out. Another good freaking chunk, baby. That's what's up. What do you think, bro?
Dude.
Hollow body or top toe?
Top toe's getting the big ones, man. Woo, we'll see. We still got a long day.
We got a long day, and the challenge ain't over. Loser's gotta jump in the water. And I think I got Did I got you by a fish? There we go, guys. No, I've got 4 now. Yeah. All right, I got Manny by 1. Loser, when the sun comes out, has to jump in the water. Ray, you heard that? You bet. Ray's got to get on some fish or he's jumping in the water too. All right, guys, we're going to let this girl go. Check her out. Fish on, brother, fish on. Woo-hoo. Hey, is this a quad? Again, guys, I don't know if this is a quad or not. It could be a hybrid because I don't see any lateral lines, but check that out. There we go. Whatever it is, a pretty fish. Comment if it's a hybrid. Like if it's a quad. I don't know. God dang. All right, old boy. Settle down. Settle down. There we go. There we go. Let this guy go.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
All right, guys, so we switched Ray to the Teckler frog, which is like a sprinkler frog. Ooh. And he's doing some work. He caught himself a mondo. Check this out, guys. He's now got, how many you got on the board?
This is number 2, missed 3 earlier.
He's missed 3, this is number 2. Look at that mondo, boys.
Yes, sir.
God. All right, guys, Ray's got his new PB, 4 pounds right on the freaking money. The Hydrilla Killers. Look at this, boys. That Teckler frog. Land of the Giants, baby. Land of the Giants. Gee, not bad for a river fish. Get that release. Hey guys, just a quick update. Old Manny B switching to the Techler. Giving up on that hollow body. Look at him trying to be sneaky over there.
Hey, it's getting bit, but
What they want, huh?
yeah, I'm not gonna just throw that and not catch anything big.
Oh. Nah. It's just because it's getting caught in the grass. Oh, God dang, boy! Woo! Get you some of that, man. Oh! Woo! Come on, boy!
Ah! Nah, he looked way bigger when he first jumped. He's like probably a 7. Probably a 7. Nah, I'm just kidding. Boys, did y'all see that? That was a... It looked way bigger than it really is. Come on. That looked like a freaking monster. Boys. That was sick. Oh, I thought that was like a 5-pounder, man. That's like a 3.5. Still freaking sick. Oh boy, Eric's starting to get scared. This hollow body tickler's kicking some butt right now. It's got me a good one. I'm coming for you, Celerio. This challenge isn't over. He's over there talking, oh hey, y'all gotta jump in the water already. I was like, no, the day ain't even over, it's still young, buddy boy.
And then just like that, back there I could hear you. I was all, there he goes. I was like, I'll give you an update in a minute. I know he stuck something good. Oh, dude, no. Poor fish. Yeah. Dude, I don't know. Check that out. There we go.
Damn fish. Little guy. Got him, boys. Little failer.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Little guy, man. There we go, guys. There we go. All right, guys, just a quick little update. We're at the, I actually don't even know where the heck we are. All I know is I'm starving. Call for help. I don't want to finish the float.
Somebody help!
But no, just a quick update. This is my buddy Ray. Went to high school together. He's he's killing it. He's got the Techler frog on. The frog right there, check that out. Killing it on that. Got his personal PB today. 4 pounds. We didn't get the length, but he got a 4-pounder, so that was pretty awesome. Manny B, I think he got himself a slaunch too. How big was yours?
9 pounds.
I don't know what it is. You have to watch his video. He won't tell me. But I don't know. Comment who you think won the challenge, and I think I won it, honestly. So I think Manny B's got to jump, and then Ray's got to jump. So but now we're gonna grab a bite to eat. We'll see y'all when we're back on the water. There we go, baby, on the Manny B special. Yes, sir. Check that out, guys. On that Manny B special. Killed it. There we go, guys. So I switched from the top toad because it's starting to get really hot, and I think these fish are going, I mean, it's deep here now. I think these fish are hunkered down low, so put on a spinner bait in the trailer, Caliber Bait Co. MB special. Just hoping to get down lower and get some of those fish and get some action going again. And sure enough, that's what's happening. So hopefully we get on some more. That's one. So I'm sure there's some more. Stay tuned. Oh, let's go. Woohoo! Dude, that is a beautiful quad. Oh my gosh, look at that. God. Check that out. Damn. That's a gorgeous quad. Check that quad out, guys. Again, on the spinnerbait. It's starting to get real hot, so fish are going deeper for sure. All right, guys, so just a little update. The bite's kind of shut off. Been throwing the spinnerbait because obviously, I mean, that's the only thing that's been working. The frog hasn't worked. The top water's off already. Can't throw the swim bait. There's too many weeds and moss, things like it gets caught up in. So we've been throwing a Wacky Rig Cinco, which has produced fish here and there. Spinnerbait has produced. That's really about it. It's just been Wacky Rig and spinnerbait. So we've got a little bit left. I'm thinking we're gonna be off the water in about 2 hours or so. So I'm hoping that it's been shallow on my side the whole time. So hopefully there's some bigger water that we can get into and catch some bigger fish. We'll see. Stay tuned. Yeah. Getting jiggy with it, boys. Na 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 na. Get that jig bite going. Yeah. Hey guys, I don't know if you can see Ray. He's fighting a monster over there. I mean, it's dragging his boat around. Look at that thing. Woo! There he is, guys. Get rid of him. He is fighting a toad. Let me get over there for you so you can see what he got. My man, he's got a gosh dang turtle. All right, I don't know how he hooked up with that, but that thing's snapping at him like crazy. Check that out, guys. Hello! He said, give me a piece of that arm. Ray said, I got me a monster, but I don't know what it is.
Let me see your pliers.
Holy cow. All right, guys, we're gonna get this turtle off. Oh! Dude, he hit it immediately. Little guy. Alright guys, so we were extremely tired after that trip. It was over 10 miles and I completely forgot to do the outro, so I didn't want to leave y'all hanging. I just wanted to update y'all. The 1,000 sub giveaway is coming up, so if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Like and share this video as well. We're going to be doing that here within the next few days. I'm going to sit on with Andres from Caliber Bait Co. and I believe we're giving away 4 lures. So subscribe, like, and share this video and you'll be entered. One last thing before I get out of here, don't forget to check out my boy Manny B with the Skinny Water Boys. I'll leave his link in the description and his little icon at the end of this video. Peace. See you on the next one.